Hey friends, if you wish to change the taskbar alignment on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. And why would you want to change the taskbar alignment at the first place? So if you remember, then in earlier versions of Windows, especially Windows 7 and earlier versions of Windows 10, this start button wasn't here, it was at the absolute left, and that's where the taskbar started from. And one might say it doesn't make much of a difference for us, and yes, it doesn't. But for users who have a problem with this, they can always shift it to the left end, and if they are in a habit of using it from the left end, it will be easier for them. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on taskbar. Scroll down, click on taskbar behaviors. In the center for taskbar alignment, change it from center to left. And as you can see, the taskbar has changed to the left end, and the start button will always be at the absolute left. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.